The ODX viewer is a tool used to open ODX and packed PDX files in order to explore the data within them in a more user-friendly way. These files can be quite large and complex, so having a tool to help traverse and search for important information is very useful to developers. First, let's go through the settings menus. You can see several user preferences here, which could be used situationally, but the most important is probably the allowance of non-standard PDX containers, which is disabled by default. We also have the option to change your hotkeys, as well as the paths for the ODX comparator. Now, let's open up a PDX file and look at some of the data. We can see here we have three main ECUs to choose from: the ECU, the BCM, and another called diagnostic scan. These are the three packed ODX files that were present in the PDX I'm using for this demo. We see fault symptoms, communication parameters, services, a lot of very dense data used internally by the system. When we right-click and click Explore, we can see the tree of data in its raw form. This tree has a lot of data in it and is very difficult to work through. However, all the information here is needed in order to set up diagnostics. Finally, this search bar at the top is actually very powerful. We have the ability to use complex expressions to find the data that we're looking for. It won't be as apparent here with such a small ODX file, but I'll show you an example anyways. If we type something like speed into the bar, we get many options for how we can search. The basic search would just be for anything, in any column that matches the string. But we can go further. We can change the logic of our expression, does not contain, instead of contains, for example. We can change the column we're searching, or select to search them all. We even have the ability to use very complex regular expressions to search for our desired information.